Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. I have a little surprise for you towards the end, explaining why I have a rubber band across my Hobonichi. Before I do that, let me go ahead and show you our new kits for this new release. And this one is Season Favorites, part of the Feeling Fall collection. That is the first kit in that collection. The second one is Feeling Fall, and it comes in 4 skin and hair color options. That is the second kit. And the third kit I want to show you is the Enjoying Fall kit for Hobonichi weeks. This is the third kit in that collection. Also comes in 4 skin and hair color options. So let's go ahead and start this plan with me with this date cover up. I find that covering up the dates is just a perfect way to start planning a new fresh page. Next, I am going to place that large checklist bar or long checklist sticker. I use that as a tracker for things that I need to do for today or just a general to-do list. Next, I've pulled that long sticker strip and I've put it in the middle of the page, and I just wanted to fold it so that it'll adhere better. The reason that I wanted to put that sticker on there is that it can protect the page as my planner is getting really chunky. I've placed that bottom bar on the left page right on where it's supposed to be, but then I'm going to place the other bottom bar for the right page up at the top of the page so that when you flip to this page, you can see it right away because it is such a stunning bottom bar that I just wanted to put it up at the top. I'm just going to place that ollie clip up on the top so that it would not curl on me. This paper is very thin. It is Tomoe River paper, and that is normal for Hobonichi planner books. And I've just covered up that little text there with a label sticker and that family sticker as well. I think that the deco stickers of this kit is just super cute. It's very artsy, watercolor type of art, and that is something that I really enjoy. That's why I've just put that other bigger girl sticker on there, and now I'm going to place that blessings banner right at the side of that page. I'm also layering 2 stickers, a weekend banner and a pumpkin sticker on there, and I'm going to do the same up at the top of the left page with a label sticker and that wreath with a crow and a red ribbon sticker. And then that last deco sticker of a cat goes on there, as well as 2 more script stickers, which is golds on top of that bar, checklist bar, as well as the today script sticker. For the leftover stickers, I'm going to put another label sticker on Saturday, and I'm going to just place the dot stickers 2 at a time for each daily section. You can also put 3 dots in one daily section if you would like, and later I'll show you what I write on those. And that is us finished for the decoration or the stickers for this page. Once again, this is Enjoying Fall sticker kit for Hobonichi weeks, available at paperjoyph.com. Let me just put that ollie clip on there, and I'm going to put it in my ring bound planner. The best thing ever! Oh my god! I wish I thought of this earlier, but I didn't. I just thought of this, I don't know, the other day when I was taking a nap because I was so tired, and then I had a dream. No, I didn't have a dream. I just, why don't I do that? I've been using this ring-bound planner for a while as my on-the-go planner because nothing happens to it. I think it will survive a nuclear attack if need be. So I placed a rubber band on my Hobonichi weeks, and I'm just going to insert that rubber band into the rings and snap it closed, and I open it up and it is good to go. It can be with me wherever I go, and if I need more space, I can just write it down on the pages of my ring bound planner. I'm going to have a plan with me on how I decorate my ring bound planner soon, and then that is me demonstrating that you can write on the pages quite easily. It does fit very well on a personal sized planner, ring bound planner. There we go. I'm not sure how it'll work with snaps, but this one isn't on snaps. I got this off of National Bookstore for 250 pesos. That is not $3. And now I'm going to grab that sticky notes on there where I wrote down the things that will be happening for this week. We are planning for the week of August 6th through to whatever weekend dates those are. I'm very excited to show you this. You guys need to try this. Try it. It is life-changing, at least for me. It combines my love of Hobonichi bound books as well as my love for ring-bound disposable planners. I am not sure if this would work with Kikki.K. I have never tried because Kikki.K is very expensive and I don't want to ruin my ring-bound because of my needs and, wants. So here I'm just writing down my plans for the day. The reason that I put down 2 dot stickers is because one is for morning and the other is for night. Major things to do, like in the morning is shop day, tonight is study time, good luck with me, and then new releases goes on that label sticker because it is a big thing, a big event. I also write down chill time if I'm not planning to do anything that night. I feel like I have to plan my me time, my chill time, because I don't really do it. That is bad. Bad for business if I'm too tired. On that checklist bar, I write down posts on IG on every single one of those daily bars so that I am aware that I am posting on IG. My Instagram account is paperjoyph because I haven't been doing it very well lately. That is not good for business. I am the only one actually promoting my shop for realsies. I haven't got anyone else to come plan with me the way that I do. If you know anyone who likes to use sticker kits on their planners and would like to receive PR, let me know in the comments down below or hit me up on my Instagram account. That is my to-do list for my shop that has no particular day done. Sticky note on there and flip it close. I'm gonna write down that I filmed this video and I'm gonna have to edit and post it tonight, and I'm just writing it down as well. Best worlds in one book. Planner setup. I think that's better. And that is it for us today. I'm just going to look at how I insert my pen on there. Right, everything in one go. That is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. I have school, I have shop, and YouTube just had to take a step back because that is my least priority. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like some more planning videos from yours truly. Visit my shop, paperjoyph.com, and buy our stuff. Buy our stuff. They're fun, they're nice, we love you!